Imagine a place where the air is still clean, the sounds of nature become natural music, and every tree stands as a guardian of life. That place really exists, located at the foot of Mount Rinjani, holding the secret of extraordinary biodiversity. This is the South Forest, one of the most important protected forests on Lombok Island. More than just a green space, Sesaot is a water source, home to thousands of living creatures and the last bastion of balance in our ecosystem. Welcome to Sesaot Forest. This forest is located at the foot of Mount Rinjani in West Lombok and covers almost 6,000 hectares. It plays an important role in the local ecosystem. There are more than 40 natural springs here which give water and life to nearby communities. Sesaot is not only a beautiful natural tourism spot but also a conservation area that protects Lombok's biodiversity. This forest is a mix of natural forest and plant forest, showing how nature and people can live together. But this balance is not always easy. Let's explore more about the ecosystem and why it's so important to protect it. Behind the shady trees and fresh flowing water, there are various flora that keep the breath of this forest alive.
The flora in the South Forest is rich and diverse, representing both native and introduced species. Among the most notable plants, there are variety types of birds, tropical hardwood trees such as mahogany and teak, an impressive variety of mosses, over 20 species from 12 families.
If trees are the forest's backbone, then its fauna is the soul. In the south, birds sing, squirrels leap, and butterflies dance, bringing the forest to life.
The diversity of fauna in the Sesaot Forest is actually interesting. In this area is our habitats of various types of birds, reptiles, small mammals, and unique insects. Then, academic species such as the sloths or the tree squire, and outside common fauna such as the tropical butterflies. And the presence of these and animals indicators that the South Forest still reflects healthy ecosystem. However, habitat change and pressure from human activities and cause and decline in the population and several species. Noise, pollution, plunge, and compression of forests into agricultural land are real threats foresting fauna not only saves wildlife but also maintains and balance of the entire life nature in the forest.
However, all this wealth does not come without challenge. Behind the beauty of the South Forest, there are real threats that continue to erode. Let's hear how this condition come about and what we can do to keep the forest alive.
The South Forest faces various incidents in conflict and illegal logging, and the cooperation, enforcement, and the forest fire are the main factor, and it damages the ecosystem. And addition pressure from the tourism industry and industry without sustainable management also exhibit environmental danger. However, various conservation efforts have been made community forest, or to say HKM. Program invades local communities to manage forest reserve.
Sesaot Forest is the heart of life for Lombok, and every tree, spring, and creature in it has an important role to play. But without our care, it could all be lost. Start small, be aware, care, and get involved. Because preservation is not the job of a few people, it is collective responsibility. Sesaot stay green if we choose to protect it.